So today we'll also have a Django project. So we have an interesting project called the IMDB clone. So the front end, I haven't done the front end. Front end was taken by from our site, and we're taking care of the back end itself. So what is so let's run it, and we'll see the what are the things is there. And so I'm not saying it's totally the what I can say. Uh, Everything is there, but a lot of features that is there that we see in the IMDb itself. So let's go to what are the things that we used here. So yeah, since it says a movie is the priority here, so we have the title, the description, the tag is not being used. So I could start like view count will be there, image would be there, category is there. Like based on the category, we can see like whether it's maybe an action movie or drama movie or what do you say romantic movie, whatever it is. We can classify it by the language itself, like whether it's a Hindi movie or English or German, whatever it is. Year of production is there. So since we are using a class-based use, we can get some of the ongoing features in it. So for to getting the years and all of those things, we'll see that. We also categorize by the status as well. So it should be recently added. So in the home page, we are using a slide, I can say, where we have those like recently added, top rated, and most wanted. We have related movies in the detail page where we see like if like based on the category, if I'm not wrong, yeah, based on the category, whether it's same category movie like same action movie will get the different action movies there. We also have the download links, the watch links, and we have some of the things, the details like the trailer link, that is very important. The trailer link we can to see the live trailer running inside the web application, and we have some of the details of the cast and crew. We use a slug. So when we go to a particular detail about a movie, most of the time what we do is like we go through by the ID, but here we are using the slug so that every detail page will have its own name, and we also include the search option. So let's see. So clicking by it, so this is the banner used. So again, as you can see, it's not perfectly. So it should be like this. It should be a hero like that. This is Superman hero like it should be like this. Where it is, yeah, this is. And it should be maybe like it would be maybe 100 px. It should be something like this. So again, we are not taking care of the front end as well. But yeah, this is the Spider-Man. This is the Batman. This is the Avengers, and this is the four Uncharted. This is the things that we have added. So this is the most recent. You can see the this is a slider. So I haven't like put a lot of I can say movies inside it. We'll include a movie to see like how it goes. This is the most watches movies, and this is the top rated movies. The moment we click into the movies, we click into the that you can see the slug field is really working. So using the name, we are going to a particular thing, and this is the trailer. We can run the trailer. This is nothing what that I'm putting inside the YouTube embedded link, nothing like that. And these are the like title. This is the banner. We have it's a category of drama. So you can see in the related movie, it's only because it has only one drama movie. So that is the reason it's said. And I haven't included the watch movie. I have think included in the. So you can here you can see the action. If you this is the only action movie. I haven't. I think I also have the link for here. So this is the trailer. It will run the trailer and the download link. No, inside I don't have download link. I think I only have the. This is the Uncharted one. Haven't had the download link here. Yep. So going to comedy. Have Spider Man. I think I have added a download link to Spider Man. This is a Spider Man, and this is the comedy movie. You can see there's only one comedy movie, and this is the link. Like we click in the link, you can go to and watch it, download it. Don't do that, huh? So yeah, I hope nothing will happen. So yeah, this is the thing, and how we are generating it. We go to, and we have the page annotation as well. So if you go to next, so this is the action movie. So we have two action movies actually. this and this. So we are using the page annotation. So if you go to the views, this is the home page. You can see. So this is the home page where we are filtering out by top rated, recent, and most watched. So these are the contexts we're returning, and using those, and we can simply use this inside that into a template to get the object itself. And you can see the page annotation is set it to 1. If you set it to 2, everywhere if you set it to 2, you can see you can search, and whatever you can do, you can will have 2. Right now I'm having this 2 set it in every category in the movie search and everything. Now if we go, if we restart it, you can see 2 pages, so 2 actions. We go to home, and if you maybe, so action I have 2, right? So you have 2 only. And if you go to search, if you search to search by Spider-Man, you can search it by Spider-Man. We're getting it, right? We're getting Spider-Man. If you go search about let's say bat, not even Batman, just say bat. So you're getting the Batman. So search is also going as or that. We can go to play by clicking it. We can go to again a particular thing, to a particular banner itself, and we can run it. So this is how I've done. Let's go to the code and see how it really works, and let's add a movie back after that. So how long it is, I don't know. Hope that I can. It won't be too long. So this is the home page. So this is the home page. You can see you're getting the sliders by the four, and this is the movie list where I can just everything like whatever movies we have just paste it. That's it. And the best about the mo- list view is that you don't need to even like tell the templates like there is a way, there is a factor like. So if you go to the app, and this is the name of our app movies, and if you go to the templates, so there is a way to use it. So since the name of the function is movie list, so first you have to, inside the template we have to make the folder name, the name of our app. So the name of our app is movies. So inside the template we have movies, and by that this is the context that it should take. So for that, like the name of the function is movie list, so you can see movies slash list. So the name of the detail list, movie details, are movie details, so you can see movie slash details. So this is how you can cognitate your attach, I can say, your templates. You don't need to, if you want you can just say like this also the templates name by that, that is also fine if you want, but here's the structure, you can use it. And so this is how we are, in the movie list we are returning everything, and using the object list we can get through all of those, the list itself. Here the movie list, what we are doing is we're seeing the details, and we are querying out everything. And here, since we have to, every time when someone goes we have to increase the count, we can count it, save the object, we return the object. And here, to get the context, we can have to use something like the get the context like this. If you're using a function with a class which use like that. Here we are using two different models, you can say, the movie link model and the movie model, and we are just filtering out by the category itself. And here we are just filtering everything whatever the links is there. So inside the template we can use the links and the related movies. And let's go, this is how we are using the category. So here you go to the urls, so it can be understandable. So if every category or language or the years, you can, what you can see, we have the link itself, and we are returning the category or the year or the slug. If you're using slug in the details, the slug itself. So if you go to the verse, so here we are just getting whatever we are writing after the link. So category, maybe it's action movie, so I will run the url by saying category slash action, and that action will get it inside the category, and we are just filtering out based on that category or returning that particular thing. So this is how we're returning it. And here we are getting the context itself. So it's just nothing but this, the movie context. Movie category is equal to self dot category, and we getting the context itself. So this is how we are filtering out and getting the context. Same for the language itself. We're getting the language, we're calling out the language, we're reading the movies, and here we're getting the context. So yeah, and about here we have the search option. So just go to the base plate so we can have a, that is the base template. This is the base template where it inherited a lot of most of it, and this is how we're using the search option. Where is the search option? Slider. So this is the search option. So this is a get method, and we are giving an action. So this is a page where it will redirect. This is the page where it will redirect. Where is it? Search. Movie the search. So it's a redirect where we're putting a particular value. The request.get.queue, and the name of the field is queue. So here you can see the query yourself.request.get the queue. So whatever you are running, like whatever you search, will getting inside the queue, and we are using the I content. So whatever it is, we are filtering out, and if is there is nothing, we returning none. So that's it about the search. And here for the year, you can see we are using the year archive view. So that is a feature, like I can say, that we use a lot of things you get by default if you're using class based views. So for that we also have a template that has to be, the name of the template has to be like that. So movie.archive that year. So movie the name of the app, and the archive as year is the name actually that is being used. So it's nothing the same as a list, and since we are using, and we have to make this two as true, so the list object we can simply use it to get the context itself. This is how. And the one thing extra, I guess, it's there is the context processor. So you're using a slider context here. So you can see the slider values. Like if we go to that home page, so this is a slider you can see. So the slider is coming. So this is using a for loop, by because we have four movies inside that. So we are creating a function called slider. We are just from the model, we're using a model, and we're getting all of those by order of created, and we're slicing it by four. So only the four movies will come. Now let's add a movie and see how it's really working, how all of those contexts are here. So if I go and to admin, and you can see movie link and movies. I'm not gonna add movie. These are the four movies you can see. Let's add it. So let's add a movie, and I believe that it should be. Let's make KGF2. That's like booming right now. So we go to the IMDb. Yeah. So this is the movie. This is the trailer. So this is the image. First, what we need with the name. The name it should be KGF Chapter 2, right? So it's KGF Chapter 2. We're setting it KGF Chapter 2. Description. We have description. You have it something like this. You can put it like this. This is the context. We're taking the real context from the IMDb to our clone one, and this is the image, right? So by default, I thought that I will get it, but we will not get it like that. But again, we are developers, right? We can find out like how to get it. So we go to this, go to that. Is it so? Where is it? It's not inside this. It should be inside this, right? This and this. Where is it? This. It's saying it's this, but where is it? It's not here. It's not here. Dude, it's taking very good time, man. So this dude does nothing. Where is it? This is the, yeah, here is it. So this is the image, right? We can simply say that. Maybe say KGF2. The buttons. Okay. This is KGF2. And we'll go and we'll say KGF2 like this. Category, let's say it's a drama. And we'll use Hindi, of course. Status, so most top rated, most watched. Let's cast. There's a cast there. And what is the cast? Cast will be Yash. If you click like that, it will get the cast. You want to get the cast like this. So now I'm gonna click that. So it's Yash, Sanjay Dutt, and like food like this. Will I get the cast by saying in this? Still, I'm not getting the cast like this. So it's a drama action. So drama is there, so it's fine. So it's Yash. Let's type it out or something. It's Yash, what it is? Sanjay, Sanjay Dutt, Sanjay Dutt. Those two will work, I guess. There's a time of production. It's 2020, April 2020, maybe whatever it is. We can't do this. Lag will automatically come. Movie trailer. This is important. So we need the embedded script of it. So let's go to YouTube. KGF2 trailer. So this is where we're getting to. This is the trailer, and we'll go to. We need the embedded script. So like this, copy it, we'll paste it like this, and what we need. All of those things I already will figure out. So I need this one. That's it. This one I need. If you run this, that will be also good. So here is the list. Slug will automatically saved the moment we. So the name, whatever it is, will come to slug. We save it. So we have the KGF chapter 2. You can see the slug is already set, and if you wanted to see how it does, so again I'm following the basic. So here is the slug field. You can see this is the slug field, right? And for that we need to use slugify as well. And here we are using save. So if not sluggy, it's not saved or slug. We're just taking the slug, and what it is, we're putting the title inside the slugify again, and we're saving it. Okay, that's it. So automatically do that. Now let's go to our app. So let's go to the app. Here you can see, we can see the KGF is there, right? If you click it, the KGF trailer is running.
केजीएफ में करुणा को मारने के बाद क्या हुआ?
I don't know क्या हुआ. So this is the, yes, and this is the view count one. Drama is there, and you can see the related movies. It's two showing because it's a drama movie. So this is how it's a fun project that I have done. And since I have set this to four, so that is the only four. If you wanted to set it, let's set it to five, so we'll have five banners. In the slider context, if you set it to five, we'll loop through five. And for that, you also set the process context like that. So in the templates, we have templates. Where is the templates? So yeah, this is the template. So context processor, we just need to, like, this is the name of our app, and this is the context. This is the name of our file, that is slider context, and inside that, this is the function. What are the functions? This is how you can add the context processor like that. So here, whatever you are passing, so whatever is inside that function, we can have that into any template. The function using that, where is the function? This is the function. This is a slider movie. I can use it into any template. So this is how you can add the context processor. So yeah, let's, we have, I think we have added it. If you displace it, you can see now it's five. One, two, three, and this is the keychain. This is how, and this is description as well. Then you get the description. If you play it, we'll go to here and run it. So this is how
केजीएफ
simplify
में
we can make this kind of a project, and I hope that it will. I'll also put the GitHub link, so if you want, you can check it out. It's a very fun project. You can also try it. Thank you.